Father, we thank you for these two, and we thank you that you've brought them together. We affirm that they truly are better together than apart. And we believe that through their marriage, they're going to enter into the fullness of the individuals you've created them to be.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in. No turning back. And every day,
妈咪请喝茶。
every moment, every breath you take.
谢谢。
妈妈请喝茶。
好。
I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees.
大家好，
'Cause he
我很高兴可以欢迎你们到 John 跟 Cheryl 的婚礼。我的名字是卢定阳，我是他们的牧师，从洛杉矶的 Epicenter Church。但是因为我是 ABC， 我可能现在开始讲英文了。How's my Chinese?
It was really good.
and we'd say we do.
As you know, even though we are live here in Los Angeles, we've got friends and family that are tuning in from all over the world and from Taiwan in particular. Will you, Peter and Mary, George and Shenhua, bless John and Cheryl in their marriage? If so, please say, we will.
He comes back riding on the clouds.
Father, we thank you that even in the midst of COVID, we get to gather here today. Some of us even from the comfort of our own homes, and maybe even pantless, as we celebrate the love story between John and Cheryl that you've been crafting.
James 1:17 reads, "Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, and comes down from the Father of lights, with whom there is no variation or shadow of turning." You are the good and perfect gift that God has given me, and I love every bit about you.
Dear John, I love how patiently observant you are, and how with this strength you balance out my tendency to make rash decisions, as well as be considerate of my needs. I love that you are both mature and childish at the same time. A capable partner when I need it, but also an uncalled for crazy kiddo when I can't help but laugh. Finally, I promise to spend a lifetime on the same team as you. I love you.
Love you too.
I, John,
I, John,
take you, Cheryl,
take you, Cheryl,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I, Cheryl,
Take you, John,
take you, John,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
And so there's only one thing left for us to do. And that's for me to say, by the authority before God and by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. John, you may now kiss your bride. And ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Chu.
It's